I know you have seen this type of channels, where they explain the different movies in different way. This type of channel explain and review the whole movie. You can also make this type of channel and earn up to $10,000 per month. This channel is making over $10,000 per month. In this video, I will show you the complete step-by-step process to make a movie recap video without getting any copyright claim or strike. These are the steps we are going to complete. So watch this video carefully. Step number 1, watch full movie or summary of the movie in YouTube. So we are going to make a movie explain video for the movie Interstellar. So we will search Interstellar movie explain, then we watch it. After that, we have known about the movie, and we can explain this movie perfectly. If you want to download this movie explain video, you can. This will help you to make a video on this topic. If you are going to make short videos, so you can download this video and use it. But if you want to make a long video, so watch my video perfectly, I will show you the complete process of making this movie explain video or short video without copyright. Now we will write a script. For creating script, you can use ChatGPT or watch any movie explain video. You can also use the synopsis of the movie. For this, you have to go to the IMDb website and search your movie, and you will find synopsis from here. We have completed our script. Now we will find clips according to our script, and these clips should be from different sources, like some clips from YouTube, some clips from Instagram, and other clips from other application or website. You have to follow this way to get no copyright strike or claim. After that, we are going to enter into second step, which is creating a voiceover. So we will use 11 Labs website for this step. This is a free AI tool for creating AI voices. We will paste here our script and generate. After that, we will edit this voice. Now we are going to enter into step 3, which is most important part of the video. And in this step, we will edit our video, which is most important part. I am saying again this, so watch this video carefully from this part. If you will make a single mistake by editing movie clips, you will definitely get copyright strike or claim. So watch this video carefully and edit this, as I will make. Now go to CapCut and import your movie clips. Add your clips in a timeline according to your script. I am making a short video for YouTube. My script should be engagement part for viewers, because I am making a shorts. And the part is most interesting, I will add that part, and my script is according to that part. Now I am adding this clips. After every 5 or 6 seconds, you will make a cut on your clip, which is required. And this is important part, because this will help you not to get copyright claim or strike. So cut your clips in every 5 seconds. Now you have to do one more thing. You have to cut your clips every 5 seconds, but you have to freeze the frame also. Or you can add the image by other sources, because if we add image, you won't get copyright. I am importing some image, and in some places I am freezing the frame of the clips, so you need to do it also like me. So by this method, you can make a movie explain or movie recap video and upload your channel. I have edited my video, but I didn't add the background music. You can add what you want, and the video is ready. You can watch it.
Cooper and his team is going on a mission, and fortunately their spaceship reached the wormhole named Garkinda, which will help them to reach that 3 planet where the life can exist. And the Miller's planet is one of them, which is closest to the Earth in that 3 planets. But this planet is closest to the wormhole, and the gravitational force is extremely high in this planet. 1 hour spent on this planet will be equal to 7 years on Earth. Then Emily says that I can see mountains there. I want to go there. But when Cooper looks carefully, he understands that they are not mountains, but big waves of water. Subscribe to the channel to see what happens to them.
Now create a channel and customize that channel according to your competitors. I won't show you the method of creating a channel because it doesn't matter how looks your channel have. The main part is how good your video is. So make your video perfect and grow your channel quickly. I will be always with you. Share this video as much as possible, which will help me to grow and get high engagement, because this video is going to change many people's life. Thank you for watching this video.